What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So first thing I got to address, just ignore this thing on my lip, okay? I'm not happy about it. I'm sure you're not happy about it. We're just gonna move on and act like it's not there. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. We are here today in West Covina, California. I've got my 74 K10 here at Maaco Auto Body and Repair. The guys are gonna do a coat of paint and some touch up, but I figured since I've never officially introduced this truck to my channel, I would go ahead and do that now. So like I already said, this is my 1974 Chevrolet K10. It is currently riding on 37 ATX rims. Here is the interior shot for you. Once the exterior is all nice and pretty, I'm gonna go ahead and go ham on the inside, get a nicer bench seat without the factory option duct tape, clean the carpets, get some nicer mats, probably gonna get a new dash cover as well. Underneath this, it's pretty beat up. I will be getting gauges that work also, which is a very novel concept in any of my cars. As you can see, the team over here at Maaco has already started. This quarter panel was by far the worst on the whole truck. Everything else is actually pretty square. This one had a lot of Bondo already on it that was chipping and coming apart. So they went ahead and floated it. It's going into sanding tomorrow. And even just as is, I mean, it looks so much better. It's not even funny. That line is so straight. And of course, you guys know Bug. He's been the daily since the truck has been here. Now, some non-aesthetics for you. I do just have a very simple Chevy 350 in here. I'm doing the best I can to clean up the engine bay, so I did just take out the wiper fluid container because they don't work. And then I removed the stock coolant overflow as well, which is what those big holes are, so I'll be fixing that up. But yeah, basically just doing what I can to clean it up in here and, you know, make it aesthetically pleasing. So a fun fact about me and this truck, when I did buy it, I was actually not shopping, not looking for a truck, nothing at the time in any way, shape, or form. But my buddy had had the truck for about a year or 2 years, and I basically was just always drooling all over it. And I told her, when you're ready to sell it, please hit me up. And to be honest with you, a lot of the time people don't actually hit you up. You always get the, oh, I sold it. Well, she is amazing and actually texted me and was like, hey, listen, I have to get rid of the K10, like, if you want it, now is the chance. And so, long story short, I made it possible. I bought my dream truck, and since then, I've just been putting in as many hours as possible, trying to make it as nice as I can be, because this is my daily truck. This isn't a show car. This isn't something, it's not something I'm gonna take out to the dirt and just, you know, destroy and beat up and whatever. No, this is my daily truck. I want it to be as nice and comfortable as possible, you know, stereo working, all the luxuries of home, right? So starting out with the paint, I'm gonna go ahead and toss this over to the guys at Maaco, let them tell you a little bit about the shop and what's going on and what direction we're gonna be going in.
What's going on, guys? Anthony here from Maaco in Covina. As you guys can see here, we have a 74 K10. I cannot wait to get my hands on this beauty. Thank you, Bailey, for giving us the opportunity to work on one of these things. Breaking it down is going to be my beautiful partner,
Phil. As you guys can see, I am in the bed of Bailey's wonderful K10. We've got some body work already going right here, nice and smooth. We have a little bit more to get done for you, so stay tuned for the process. I'm going to walk you through the sanding, I'm going to walk you through the painting, and the final process as well. If you guys do need anything done for your car, you know where to look in the bio. We're going to provide our address and our phone number, and we'll hook you guys up with some deals. But once again, stay tuned to see this beauty come alive.
So the day has finally come. I am on my way to pick up my K10 and I am so excited. It's not even funny. I'm trying to like be careful with my vision right now because I'm pretty sure it's staged out front and I don't want to just like see it, you know. I want to like I want to get my reaction on camera. I mean, come on, what's the point of all this if I don't get my reaction on camera, you know? All right. Here it comes. Turning in. Oh my God. You guys, I'm so speechless, it's not even funny. That's my truck, dude. That's the same truck. Like, it's incredible. Not to mention the fact that I really want to give major props to the attention to detail. All my badging was removed. He went ahead and did like a little cleanup strip on my gas cap. What else did he say? Oh, sprayed my steps for me. I'm probably gonna get new silver ones at some point, but like at least now they're not silver with black spray paint overspray all over them. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a once over on all of the things that I love about this paint job. Number one, my hood. There's a little bit of dust on it right now, so what? I don't have to look at rust anymore while I drive down the street. Number two, this being painted. The bumper was removed, all of it was masked properly. It looks absolutely incredible. Number three, he pulled off all my badging and cleaned them, and they don't have spray paint on them anymore. They look amazing. Number four, everything was masked incredibly. Number five, cleaned up my gas cap for me, did a cool little black strip on there. Number six, door jams, baby, door jams. Insanity. Inside is all the same, nothing different in here. Next up, let's see. I mean, just the lines, body lines, it looks absolutely incredible. Next up, this. So the personality in the handle, he did a satin clear coat on it, so it's protected, but I told him not to touch the bed. Don't mind the mask. But I told him not to touch the bed because of all the different colors that show through my paint. And I think it's cool. I think it shows some personality. Personality and, you know, a little bit of the history of the vehicle. What else? I don't know, man. Can you believe that's mine? Don't talk about that. They wanted to fix it. I said don't talk about that. There we go. Yeah. Look at that line. It's crazy. I'm truly speechless. I can't even believe that that's my truck. That's the same truck. Like, I'm, you know, obviously it's the same truck, but you know what I mean, dude? Like, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy right there. I also want to make something like super clear. The guys here at Maaco wanted to do more body work on this truck. I don't want to get harassed for this by you guys, so leave me alone. But they wanted to do more body work. They wanted to fix things up. The only side that they really did much work on was the driver's side of the bed, because it had just like an insane amount of Bondo and some pretty shoddy work. So that was the only spot they really hit. But they wanted to fix it. I told them not to, so. All right, you guys, well, I am gonna close out this video right here. If you enjoyed seeing what the process was like of having my 74 K10 get painted over here at Maaco, West Covina, don't be afraid to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, and definitely hit the guys up over here at Maaco. Once again, West Covina. They already said the address. I'll put it in the bio, all the good stuff. Tell them the Great Lakester sent you, and they'll take care of you. I guarantee it. I'll see you guys in the next one.